How to use and read the UCSD General Catalog, a comprehensive list of UCSD courses and their descriptions, faculty listings, curricular and degree requirements, and deadlines. It can be a helpful tool for incoming undergraduate students to view items like degrees and requirements, or the UCSD's 8 colleges and their requirements, and for current students to plan their courses, view their degree requirements, and academic calendars. Students can click Courses, Curricula, and Faculty to view the university's list of courses. Here, students can view an alphabetical list of the academic departments and their respective programs, courses, and faculty. For example, a student looking for cognitive science courses could click See, find Cognitive Science, and then click Courses. This will take them to the Cognitive Science course catalog, where you can view all the courses offered by the department, their descriptions, and prerequisites. Although courses may be listed in the catalog, you will want to check the schedule of classes in department websites to ensure the courses are being offered in the quarter you are hoping to take them and apply towards your specific degree requirements. All courses, course descriptions, faculty listings, curricular and degree requirements, deadlines, and fees described in the catalog are subject to change or deletion without notice. A tip from your 6 academic advisors: go through the catalog to pick out courses within your major department that seem interesting to you. Write these down and then compare them to your degree requirements to ensure they will count. Then, when you are creating your long-term plan or deciding what courses to enroll in, you already know what courses you are most interested in. Thanks for watching.